back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to make a basic tomato sauce. A good tomato sauce is the basis for so many dishes like pizza, pasta, meatballs, and so much more. So what I have is some tomatoes that I did wash and cut up. Now I'm going to place them in a pot over medium heat. And once you place them into here, you want to add some chopped onions, and you can also use the red onion. I use the white ones. All right, also some chopped garlic, and do remember to check the ingredients and measurements listed in the description box below. Once I add this, I'm going to go ahead and add some black pepper along with some salt, some sugar, and some white vinegar. At this time you can add your thyme, any kind of thyme that you want to. Mine is just basic until I'm actually ready to use it. Then I'm going to add the fresh ingredients like my celery and thyme and stuff like that. You also want to add a sprig of rosemary in this, and once you add that, you want to place the cover over the pot and let this cook until it is very soft. And this sauce can be dressed up, guys, with mushrooms and vegetables and other stuff like that, even your chicken and stuff like that, guys. Let me tell you, it is so good. Now that it's all mushy and done, you want it to cool off before you start blending. And it is very easy to put together. So once it's cool, I'm going to add it into my food processor. Then place the cover right over the top. And you can blend or just use the pulse method. Pulse it until it is smooth. And yes, guys, we're now going to be buying tomato sauce from the store, all right? You can make your own homemade sauce. And if you like anything spicy, you can add some hot peppers into here and blend it as well. Once it's already pureed, I'm going to add a sieve over my bowl and pour it right over into the sieve. Use a wooden spoon and just stir it through. Now, you may not use the same type of sieve that I'm using, but whatever sieve you decide to use, be sure to pass the spoon under the sieve, because there is a lot of goodness stick on to the sieve like this. As you can see how much is there, just get it out. What is being left in the sieve is the skins and the seeds, and you can discard that. And this is what my sauce looks like, guys. It's tasty and it's nice. And remember, when I'm ready to use, I'm going to add my fresh thyme into it. You can use it on your pizza dough. You can use it on, let me tell you, your meatball and your pasta is not going to refuse this sauce. Place it into your mason jar, pop the lid right over, and then just pop it into your refrigerator. And there you have it, guys. Our tomato sauce is all done. Easy, simple to put together, all tasty and nice. Yeah, so go give it a try. Don't you forget to leave me a comment, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.